so sad to hear what is happening, but what else? We were expecting the same type of stories. I was in South Africa. I was attending all the courts for almost 3 years. I was going to court and we were being told excuses after excuses. I never had a trial in South Africa for almost 3 years. I went, appeared in the court several times, and witnesses never showed up. So when I hear what they're saying today, that witnesses cannot come, despite the ruling that the magistrate had made on the 29th of March in this year, that the witnesses must come over according to the law, I was not surprised, not shocked. This also confirms my statement that I've been saying, that what I was passing through in South Africa was persecution, not prosecution.
Do you know the witnesses?
So far, we don't know who the witnesses are. But as I said, that for the past 3 years I was in South Africa, I was going to court together with my wife. And since we came to Malawi, we have never absconded in a court. We have been here, coming here all the times. But the same story, there are no witnesses that are showing up physically to come here. So this is the same thing that we have been saying, that we were passing through persecution in South Africa, and we went through a lot of things, and including death threats and a lot of things, and this confirms to what we have been talking about.
We heard from in the court that some of your lawyers from South Africa are here to do what?
All right, these are lawyers who were representing me in South Africa, standing for me according to the law, representing me. And they heard that today the witnesses will be coming, and they also came to observe. Remember, they were representing me in South Africa, so they had to come, and they came here. So it's completely normal for them to be here as observers. And shockingly, we are being told that the witnesses cannot come because of COVID-19, yet my lawyers from South Africa, they are all here. And it's so shocking to hear such type of things.
What are your general expectations from the whole extradition process?
My expectation is justice to prevail. I believe in the rule of law, and I respect the law, both of South Africa and Malawi. But I don't respect when people use the law as a weapon to achieve their personal agendas against particular people that they have, and also to use the law for extortion where they want money from particular people. And I think this must stop. And I believe that time has come where the justice system of our country will prove this. This is why we are here. We want to prove our case that we are innocent. As we speak right now, we are innocent until we are proven guilty. And we want to prove, we want to question the mind, that we want to see those people, so-called witnesses, so that we can actually prove that all this was just cook-up cases, and we want to prove that in this court. So we are here, we are saying we need these witnesses physically in this country, according to what the magistrate had made a ruling in the past hearing.
An application where you're asking the court to have the witnesses testify through video conferencing. Would you explain?
It is not misleading that the witnesses are failed to show up. What was before court was an application by the state on the request from the government of the Republic of South Africa that they come through video conferencing because of the COVID-19 pandemic, considering that the situation, we're in a third wave. In South Africa, they're in a third wave at the moment, and the fact that we have the Indian variant as well, that is taking its course. And for that fact, and the fact that the witnesses, for them to come here, a number of them, would really be a situation whereby their conditions, the importation in Malawi, the now and again issue of themselves getting infected. We did put that before the honorable court, that these are issues that the court should consider. They should vex the mind of the court, and in considering how the matter will proceed. So essentially, the court has adjourned for a ruling on that part of application, and that wait for the honorable court's decision as to how we proceed.